Have you ever woken up after a full night's sleep and still felt like your brain just didn't turn on? You pour your coffee, stare at the same email for minutes, forget where you put your phone, and you start thinking, maybe I'm just getting older. But what if your brain fog has nothing to do with age and everything to do with a hidden cleaning system inside your brain that's slowly shutting down after 50? Scientists call it the glymphatic system, your brain's own detox network. It works silently while you sleep, washing away toxins, waste, and inflammation. But here's the shocking part. After 50, this cleaning process can slow down by as much as 40%. And when that happens, your brain wakes up dirty. Think about it. Your brain is constantly at work. It makes decisions, stores memories, and helps control blood sugar and hormones. But like any busy kitchen, it produces waste, tiny byproducts from thinking, stress, and metabolism. When you were younger, your brain cleared that waste easily each night. But after 50, that system, the glymphatic system, becomes sluggish. And that's when the morning fog starts to creep in. During deep sleep, your brain's support cells, called glial cells, actually shrink. That shrinking opens up little rivers where a clear fluid called cerebrospinal fluid flows through your brain tissue. It washes away toxins like amyloid-beta, tau proteins, and lactic acid, the very things linked to Alzheimer's, memory loss, and fatigue. When you're young, it's a perfect nightly cycle. But as you cross 50, poor sleep, hormones, dehydration, and slower circulation make that system less efficient. So instead of a clean, refreshed brain each morning, you wake up feeling foggy, distracted, or drained. After 50, several biological shifts weaken this system. Deep sleep becomes shorter and lighter. Blood vessels lose flexibility, reducing brain fluid flow. Estrogen and testosterone decline, disrupting sleep cycles. Common medications, like blood pressure pills or statins, can further interfere with restorative rest. The result? Your brain can't rinse itself fully each night, and over time, that waste buildup dulls memory and focus. A landmark study from the University of Rochester found the glymphatic system is 10 times more active during deep sleep than when you're awake. Yet, adults over 50 spend far less time in that vital stage. So your goal isn't just more sleep, it's deeper, cleaner sleep that lets your brain detox naturally. And if you have high blood sugar or insulin resistance, this process becomes even slower. High glucose damages the tiny blood vessels that help your brain drain waste. That's why so many people over 50 with normal sugars still complain about brain fog. Their brains are inflamed and exhausted, not from age, but from poor nighttime cleaning. Your metabolism and your mind are connected more closely than most doctors realize. The amazing part, even after 50, your brain can bounce back. This system responds quickly when you make small, smart changes. Here's how to restart your brain's cleaning crew, starting tonight. 1. Protect your deep sleep. This is where the cleaning happens. Go to bed between 10 and 11 p.m. Avoid late caffeine and make your bedroom dark and cool. After 50, deep sleep is your brain's nightly detox cycle. Protect it like medicine. 2. Sleep on your side. MRI research shows side sleeping, especially on your left, helps waste drain faster from the brain. It's a simple change that can noticeably reduce fog within days. 3. Stay hydrated. Your brain's cleaning fluid comes from water. After 50, dehydration happens faster, and even mild dehydration slows flow. Drink through the day, and if your doctor allows, take a few sips before bed. 4. Move every day. Light movement improves circulation, and circulation drives brain drainage. A short walk after dinner or gentle stretching before bed helps the glymphatic system work efficiently. 5. Try light intermittent fasting. A 12 to 14-hour overnight fast activates autophagy, your body's internal cleanup cycle, which complements brain detox. Eat dinner earlier, skip midnight snacks, and let your body rest. 6. Manage your stress. High cortisol, your stress hormone, tightens vessels and disturbs sleep. Before bed, take a few slow breaths. Pray or write down what you're grateful for. Small rituals relax the nervous system and reopen the brain's drainage channels. 7. Create a brain-friendly bedroom. Turn off overhead lights, use soft amber lighting, and keep your room slightly cool. Your brain detoxes best in the dark, quiet, and calm. New brain imaging technology lets scientists watch this process in real time. They've seen the fluid move, toxins leave, and the brain literally wash itself clean during deep sleep. Researchers believe glymphatic slowdown is one of the earliest changes before memory decline. But people who protect their sleep, move daily, and stay hydrated keep this system strong well into their 80s. So, if you're over 50 and wake up feeling foggy, forgetful, or just off, it's not weakness. It's your brain asking for a better cleaning routine. Tonight, skip the scrolling, drink some water, sleep on your side, and let your brain do what it was designed to do, renew itself. Because after 50, mental clarity isn't about youth. It's about giving your brain a fair chance to heal itself. I'm a US-based pharmacist and dietitian, and this is Wellness Plate, where we uncover the real science behind healthy aging, blood sugar balance, and sharper thinking after 50. If this opened your eyes, tap subscribe and share it with someone who deserves to wake up with a clearer mind tomorrow. This video is for educational purposes only. Always consult your US healthcare provider before changing your sleep, diet, or medications.